This is Miracle Grow Performance Organics that I bought, and I'm going to use it to mix with my soil. In this soil I already have some perlite, so now I'm going to mix the granules from this container with the soil to grow my plants. So it's covered, it comes like this. I gotta take off, tear this out. And these are the granules. This is what it looks like. Just little granules. And you're gonna mix it with your soil. See? Just mix it with your soil. And you stir it up. You just stir it in. Mix it in. And then you water it. You could keep the cover on and just pour it out like this also.